All right, crypto fam, buckle up. What if a major market commentator, looking at historical data, is predicting that XRP could hit $17 with a mega monthly candle in May, and then potentially skyrocket even further to $55? Is history really about to repeat itself this dramatically? What is going on, you incredible crypto investors? Welcome back to Goldrush Crypto Daily, the place where we bring you the crypto news with the energy it deserves. I'm your host, Goldrush, and today, we are diving straight into an incredible report from Finbold that details some absolutely mind-blowing price predictions for XRP based on fascinating historical analysis. Get ready to feel unbelievably, outrageously bullish about the potential for massive, near-term gains. Look, if you're feeling this energy and you want to be part of the crypto fam that's watching for potentially life-changing moves, you have to join us. Smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell right now. Don't miss out on the news that could signal the start of something monumental. Seriously, hit it. Done? Awesome. Let's get into this gold. All right, let's get straight to the source and dive into this report from Finbold. The headline is explosive. Analyst expects XRP to hit $17 with mega monthly candle, then $55 after macro channel breakout. $17 with a mega monthly candle, then $55? Let's see how they're backing this up. A notable market commentator sees XRP breaking into the higher end of the three-digit territory, citing historical macro data. Breaking into the higher end of the three-digit territory? Okay, that's long-term talk, but wow. Citing historical macro data. This isn't just pulling numbers out of thin air. XRP has not fared well over the past few months after surpassing $3.30 in mid-January, consistently ranging around the $2 lows. Hasn't fared well after surpassing $3.3 in January, ranging around $2 lows. Okay, acknowledging the recent chop. But this underperformance is just part of the pattern. It's the quiet before the storm. Interestingly, market analyst XRP believes this consolidation will soon end, highlighting a long-term macro channel. Market analyst XRP believes this consolidation will soon end, highlighting a long-term macro channel. This sideways movement is about to break. According to this analyst, XRP observed 6-candle pattern. In his latest analysis, the market watcher noticed XRP's behavior within this macro channel on the monthly chart. Notably, its historical data reveals a pattern the asset has followed within this channel, ultimately leading to an impressive price run. 6-candle pattern. On the monthly chart, historical data revealing a pattern that ultimately led to an impressive price run. This is what we want to see, historical precedents for massive gains. This pattern involves the formation of 6 key monthly candles above the 21 EMA. For context, XRP witnessed this pattern in the second half of 2017. Notably, after this run, XRP observed a correction and subsequent consolidation that lasted for months. 6 monthly candles above the 21 EMA happened in the second half of 2017, followed by correction and consolidation that lasted for months. Sounds familiar, right? History rhyming. XRP to $17 if history repeats. XRP believes this structure is playing out again. Notably, after the initial 283% rise in November 2024, XRP has already witnessed 5 candles. The market analyst believes this close to the April candle sets the stage for a massive run during the 6th candle in May 2025. History playing out again. 5 candles already seen since the November 2024 run. And the close of the April candle sets the stage for a massive run during the 6th candle in May 2025. The timing is lining up perfectly according to this pattern. According to him, if history repeats, XRP will see another mega monthly candle in May 2025 with a price target of $17. Such a rally would mark a 672% increase from the current price of $2.20. If history repeats, another mega monthly candle in May 2025, price target $17. A 672% increase from current prices. Wow, this is the kind of prediction that gets the blood pumping. A mega candle to $17, based on historical patterns. But the potential doesn't stop at $17. This analyst sees an even bigger move coming after hitting that initial target. Get ready for this next level of bullishness. Another potential surge to $55. However, eGrag expects XRP to see higher prices from here. It bears mentioning that these 5 candles have remained within the earlier identified macro channel. Nonetheless, with XRP's surge to $17, the chart shows that the asset would breach the upper boundary of the channel. Higher prices from here. The 5 candles stayed within the macro channel, but surging to $17 would breach the upper boundary of that channel. Breaking major resistance levels is key for parabolic moves. According to eGrag, this breach in itself could trigger another upside move. From the initial $17 target, eGrag sees XRP soaring by another 223% to $55. Breaking the channel boundary could trigger another upside move. From $17, soaring by another 223% to $55. $55. This is the follow-through move after breaking that macro channel. Based on technical structure. Notably, analysts such as CryptoMinder have also projected a possible XRP rally to the $50 region. Other analysts like CryptoMinder also projecting the $50 region. It's not just one analyst seeing this potential. Others are aligning around that massive $50 target. My personal opinion? This report, focusing on repeating historical patterns and macro-technical structure, paints an incredibly compelling picture for XRP. The idea that the recent consolidation is just part of a predictable cycle that historically led to massive gains is incredibly bullish. My personal take? This historical pattern analysis from eGrag is fascinating. It puts the recent sideways movement into a totally new, bullish perspective. The idea that the consolidation is just the setup for a 672% move to $17 in May is absolutely electric. And the potential for a breakout to $55 after clearing that macro channel? That's the kind of follow-through that would change lives. While these are predictions based on patterns, the fact that the market is seeing these setups and acting on them is what makes them so powerful. $55 after the breakout? Life-changing gains. These are predictions, yes, but the market pays attention to these patterns, and that's what makes them powerful. The potential is undeniable. Even the mention of other analysts eyeing the $50 region adds weight to this bullish outlook. It's not just one voice. It's a growing sentiment that XRP is poised for a massive upward move. Other analysts seeing the $50 region too. The bullish sentiment is growing. It feels like the pieces are falling into place for a truly monumental run. So there you have it, Crypto Fam. An absolutely incredible report detailing analyst predictions for XRP hitting $17 with a mega monthly candle in May, potentially followed by a surge to $55 after a macro channel breakout. All based on a repeating historical pattern from 2017. The potential for massive, near-term gains is looking more real than ever. What are your thoughts on these massive XRP predictions? Are you feeling the bullish energy? Let me know in the comments below. Do you think history will repeat itself? Don't forget to smash that like button if you're hyped about XRP's potential. Share this video with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our high-energy, bullish breakdowns. Disclaimer: I'm incredibly bullish on crypto, but this is absolutely not financial advice. The crypto market is wild and unpredictable, so you should always do your own thorough research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and be aware of the risks involved. Stay safe out there, and keep that bullish mindset focused on XRP's amazing potential.